Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve Windows Update error code 0x80246007 when downloading and installing Windows Update. It says some updates did not finish downloading. Well, keep trying, followed by error code 0x80246007. Let's fix that issue, guys. For that, go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Troubleshoot setting, open it. Click on other troubleshooters. Click Windows Update Troubleshoot to run, guys. After finishing this, just need to click here yes and close the troubleshooter, guys, and go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator over here and click yes. Now in here you need to type sfc space slash SCANNOW, sfc space slash SCANNOW, press enter, guys. This is file checking utility scan, guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100%, guys. Let's wait for it. After finishing verification 100% complete, guys, close out of here and restart your PC, guys. After restarting your PC, you should good to go, guys. Your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.